In this video, we'll walk through how to create and manage combo deals using the mix and match feature. Go to the Pricebook and select mix and match, then switch to the combo deals tab. Here, you can view all your existing combo deals, including their names, duration, and total deal amount. You can also search, filter, export, or send deals to POS directly from this screen. Now to create a new combo deal, click on Add Deal. Enter the name of the combo, then select the start and end date to define how long the deal will be active. You can add an image by selecting from the library, or you can even upload your own image from your computer. Next, select or create a combo by clicking on the Add button. You can either choose an existing combo or create a new one. Enter a combo name and proceed to add items. You can scan or search for items and add them to the combo. You can adjust pricing, quantity, and margins as needed. Once the combo is created, select it, enter the quantity for each item based on how you want to structure the combo. The total deal amount will be calculated automatically. Click Save to create the combo. From the list, you can edit, delete, or send combo deals to the POS. Combo deals help you bundle products and offer attractive pricing to increase your sales. And that is it for the combo deals. I'll see you guys in our next video.